50% jute, 50% cotton. Material. Natural cotton rope and jute basket. It is stronger, more durable and easier to maintain shape than pure cotton. Our soft material without any chemicals, soft with no sharp edges. It is great for people. Size. 15.0 h, 16.0 upper, 12.6 bottom. Perfect size, multi-purpose basket, perfect for houseplants basket, and it can hold clothes, blanket and more. Design. Stylish handles design, easy to move and take away, free awesome practical cotton storage basket. Keep in the family room, playroom or any other room in the house. Neutral color design. Soft material and multi-use design, which will also be a unique decoration in your room. With the appearance and practicality, we believe Casaphoria jute cotton storage basket perfect as a gift for birthdays, festival. Important things to mention. The basket comes in folded. It is vacuum packed. It will return to its best shape if filling it up with towels or blankets. Fast removing the creases by ironing it. This is not machine washable, but can be hand washed or dry cleaned. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Used this for my 72 tall ficus tree. The balance looks great.